What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So just want to make a video to kind of explain a few things to everybody. What all is required to sign up with me. So a few things. Obviously, I'm going to need your personal information: first name, last name, email address, your last four of your socials, date of birth, your address, picture ID, proof of address like a water bill, electric bill, bank statement, credit card statement, pay stub, just something with your name and your address on it. You will have to have credit monitoring. It could be Identity IQ, MyScore IQ, or Smart Credit. Of course, if you use Smart Credit, it's going to be the cheapest one. I have a link where you can get it for $19.99 a month. It doesn't matter if you have one negative account or 100 negative accounts. The price is the same for everybody. A lot of people, they call and, well, I only got one item. Well, I understand that. I completely understand where you're coming from, but this is a business. And as much as I'm here to help people, I am here to make a halfway decent living. The prices I'm paying just to have this business is, I really couldn't explain it to you. I know a lot of people say, well, you must be making a killing. I assure you I'm barely making anything. And I don't care. I'm fine with that. It's more about helping people. But the biggest thing is I just want everybody to understand I've got to have all this information before we can get started. So personal information, the documents, which is ID, proof of address, your login credentials to either Smart Credit, Identity IQ, MyScore IQ, and of course you got to be able to pay what the price is. And again, January 1, the pricing will be $200 to get started and $150 a month. Again, that doesn't matter if you have one account or 100 accounts. If you have a bankruptcy, it will be $400 to start and $200 a month. Whether you've got one bankruptcy or two bankruptcies, three bankruptcies, whatever. I've actually heard you can have more than that. I'm gonna try to set up some hours. I've done this before. I make myself way too available. I know a lot of people appreciate that, but I do have a regular job and I do have, a family. So I got to make time for everything. And, I know everybody enjoys the live videos, and I'm going to continue to do the live videos. I'm just going to have to keep them a lot shorter. I'm going to try to, pick a topic, subject, and stick with it for, at least 10 minutes, maximum 15, 20 minutes. I know a lot of times I'll go on there for, an hour and a half. And I know everybody enjoys that. I just want to make sure everybody understands everything I gotta have. Most people understand the process of how long it takes. They have realistic expectations. Others don't. Please don't take this the wrong way, but if you are looking for some kind of illegal credit sweep or some 15-day, 30-day, everything's gone, any kind of promises or guarantees, then my company is not the right company for you. I would love to help you, but the way credit repair works, you just can't do that. And I know there's a lot of people out here doing that, but trust me when I say they are just scamming you. They're just telling you what you want to hear so they can get your money. Not everybody's going to be happy. I understand that. You can't please the world. And as bad as I want to help the world, I know that I'll never be able to do it. But I can do my best to help the people that are ready to sign up for credit repair. I will try to go live here in a little bit. Probably won't make it, but I will try. But again, I just wanted to make this video to kind of go over the things that I got to have. Because I'm still having issues with people, calling to give me all the information, and then I'll get back with you with my documents or my login credentials. So if we can't do all that over the phone call that we have, the consultation, then we will just have to set up another consultation or do it some other way. But I can't get started. I can't even charge you until I have all this stuff. So that being said, if you are ready, just let me know. I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on, put all your information in, send me an email, let me know you want to do a consultation, and we'll have all that information already. Then we set the call up. If anybody has any questions, feel free to let me know. I will also put a link to Smart Credit where you can get it for $19.99 instead of $30 a month. That's really all I got for now. I hope y'all have a great night and enjoy the rest of your weekend.